Students, today we shall take second lesson of the book Footprints Without Feet. Title of the lesson is The Thief's Story. Thief's Story is composed by Ruskin Bond. Who is the writer of the lesson, The Thief's Story? Ruskin Bond. Are you familiar to Ruskin Bond? Yes. Already you have read one of the lesson of Ruskin Bond in class 9th. Can you tell me the title of the lesson? Yes, The Adventures of Toto. Adventures of Toto is written by Ruskin Bond. Recently, on 19th May, we have celebrated his 89th birthday. So, something about Ruskin Bond I want to discuss. Ruskin Bond's father was a teacher at Jamnagar, Gujarat. He was a teacher of the princess. So, till the age of 6, he grew at Jamnagar. Then his father joined Air Force, Royal Air Force. So, leaving the place Jamnagar, he returned. Ruskin Bond returned to where? Kausali. Kausali in Himachal Pradesh. So, after 2 years, when his age was 8 years, his mother, Edith Clark, left to whom? Her husband, Aubrey Bond, and married to one of the Punjabi, Hari Singh. Then he was without his mother. He started, although he had the mother, but there was separation from his mother. He lived at Kausali. So, just after 2 years, his father, Aubrey Bond, passed away in Calcutta because of malaria. Before his death, he wanted to call Ruskin Bond to Delhi when he was posted in Delhi. But unfortunately, he was transferred to Calcutta, and there he was died because of malaria. So, Ruskin Bond is famous for his children books. So, you have seen the serial Rusty? Not. You can see if you get opportunity, or you can read the book Rusty. So, already you know he was born on May 19, 1934. His father's name was Aubrey Bond and his mother was Edith Clark. On his works, so many films and TV serials were made. So, first of all, Saat Khoon Maaf, one of the film was made, very famous film, and it was made on the book Susanna's 7 Husbands. Then one more film was made, Junoon, and its story was from a flight of the pigeons. You have seen the serial. If you have not seen, you can see Ek Tha Rusty, one of the serial on Doordarshan. It was being telecast earlier. And one more program was made on Blue Umbrella. The Blue Umbrella was made on the same title, The Blue Umbrella, his book of Ruskin Bond. His famous books are Trees Still Grow at Dehra, The Room on the Roof, and other books already I have discussed. You have read one of the lesson of Ruskin Bond, Platform 8, in which there was a character Arun, not. Then you can read the books of Ruskin Bond, because most of the books of Ruskin Bond are for children. So, now let us see the lesson, The Thief's Story. So, it was still a thief when I met Anil. I was still a thief. Here narrator is who? Hari Singh. Hari Singh is the narrator, and he was still a thief when I met Anil. When he met to Anil, till then he was a thief. And though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. And though only 15, although his age was at that time only 15 years, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. He was an experienced thief at the age of 15 and fairly successful, and he was reasonably successful in his work. Which work? In theft. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. When he reached to Anil, he was seeing one of the match of wrestling. Wrestling is a match of combat. So Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. When Hari Singh reached to Anil, he was seeing which program? Wrestling match. He was about 25. His age was around 25 years. Whose age was around 25 years? Age of Anil, a tall, lean fellow. He was tall and he was thin. And he looked easygoing. He looked that he could be tricked easily, open-minded person. It seemed that he was open-minded person to whom he could cheat easily. Kind. It seemed that he was kind and simple enough for my purpose. He was a simple man, and Hari Singh, the narrator, could be successful in cheating him. I had not had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. I had not had much luck of late. He was not of a bad luck, and thought I might be able to get into young man's confidence. And he thought that he could win the confidence of the young man. Who is the young man? Anil. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself, I said. Now he started flattering. How did he flatter? That he looked like a wrestler himself. A little flattery helps in making friends. So he thought that if he was engaged in flattering, then he could develop friendship with him easily. So do you, he replied. He answered that you are also looking like a wrestler, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. Which put me off for a moment, and at that time he was off for some time because at that time I was rather thin, because at that time he was thin and he could not be looking like a wrestler. Well, I said modestly. With politeness, he said, well, I do wrestle a bit. He said that he wrestled a little bit. What is your name? Anil asked his name. Hari Singh. I lied. He told his name Hari Singh. It was not his real name. He told lies. I took a new name every month. Every month he changed his name, and on that day he named himself Hari Singh. That kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. And whenever he changed his name, he was safe from police and the person who gave job earlier to him. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting. After this introduction, when he gave his introduction that his name was Hari Singh, he talked much to Anil Singh about some successful wrestlers who were grunting, lifting and throwing each other about. who were grunting, those wrestlers who made grunting sound, lifting and throwing, who lifted others and threw to each other. I did not have much to say. He need not to say much. Anil walked away. Anil went away. I followed casually. And casually he also went back to him. Hello, again he said. Again he said, what? Hello. I gave him my most appealing smile. Narrator smiled. How was his smile? Very pleasant, attractive smile he gave. I want to work for you, I said. Narrator said that he wanted to work for whom? For Anil. But I cannot pay you. But I cannot pay you. He said that he could not pay some money to him. I think these paragraphs are clear to you. Thank you.